This blog explains why relying on custom code inside an ERP to solve accounts payable challenges is a flawed long-term strategy. Many organizations turn to customizations in their ERP system to handle specific AP needs, unique invoice formats, special approval paths, complex matching rules, or connection to third-party tools. At first, custom code seems like a quick fix, but over time, those modifications create technical debt. Custom scripts and hard-coded logic make upgrades harder, slow performance, and increase the risk of errors. ERP custom code also ties up IT resources. Every change requires specialist knowledge of legacy scripts, deep testing, and careful version control. Updates to the ERP itself can break existing customizations, which leads to costly redesigns and extended downtime. For IT leaders, this ongoing maintenance drains time and budget that could be used for innovation. AP automation platforms replace many reasons organizations opt for custom code. These platforms offer configurable, out-of-the-box workflows that handle diverse invoice types, approval hierarchies, matching tolerances, and exception routing without editing the ERP's core code. This keeps the ERP clean and easier to maintain while still addressing business requirements. With AP automation, invoice capture, validation, and coding happen before data ever enters the ERP. Rules determine how invoices are processed, automated matching occurs, and approvals are triggered based on business logic. Another key benefit is scalability. Automation systems are designed to scale with volume and complexity. As businesses grow or change processes, configuration changes can be made in the AP platform itself. Medius also highlights how eliminating custom code improves upgrade agility. Cloud-based ERPs and automation platforms both receive regular updates, and with fewer custom hooks to worry about, organizations can adopt new features faster and with less disruption.